Barlean's, Stomach Repair, Vanilla Chai, 6.35 ounces, 180 grams. Product Overview Description: Estd 1989 Pathway to a Better Life Dietary Supplement 30-Day Supply Drink Mix Platinum from our family to yours. Non-GMO, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan. Daily use can help to detox, cleanse and improve the stomach lining. Maintain optimal stomach function. We've crafted this powerful formula to include 6 high-quality natural ingredients intended to support and enhance the body's natural detoxification and health. Deglycyrrhizinated licorice root extract, Aloe Vera 200x, activated charcoal, Mastic Gum, grapefruit seed extract, Goldenseal. The right ingredients in the right amounts. We started with a single goal: to create the best natural stomach repair product on the market. We began by sourcing high-quality ingredients long used to support stomach health. Next, we crafted a formula that uses each ingredient in the most optimal quantity. We invite you to compare Barlean's stomach repair to other products. We think you'll see the difference. Suggested use: mixes easily into your favorite milk or smoothie. Other ingredients: chicory inulin powder, flaxseed powder, gum arabic, natural flavors, stevia leaf extract, silicon dioxide.